Now, how is the MPL computed? There are several ways. First is Nedelski, second is Angoff, and the third is the Ebel method. Okay, so the Nedelski method goes like this. Okay, no? So given an MCQ with a predefined number of options, which in the PLE is always 4. So far, we don't have 5 options. Okay, no? Laging A, B, C, and D lang yon. A judge or an examiner identifies how many of the options can be easily eliminated by a borderline or what we call a minimally competent examinee. Now, this is then subtracted to the number of options, then 1 is divided over the difference. So, let's give an example para mas madali nating maintindihan. So, sabi dito, all are bacterial pathogens that cause diarrhea except okay, no? So, Campylobacter, Salmonella, Giardia, or Shigella. Okay, no? So, the idea of the question is, alam mo ba kung ano ang bacteria at ano ang hindi bacteria? Yun lang naman, di ba? So, obviously, okay, no? We know that the correct answer is C. Okay, no? And, when the examiner looks at this question, sasabihin niya, no? Ilan kaya sa mga options na to ang madaling ma-eliminate? So, madaling ma-eliminate yung A, B, and D. All of these are easily eliminated even by a minimally competent or borderline students. Okay, no? So, ano ang magiging effect nito sa MPL? 4 minus, that's the number of options, minus 3, the number of options that are easily eliminated, or 1, sorry, will be divided over the difference of that. So, that means this has an MPL of 1. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng MPL 1 na sinasabi natin, no, sa PLE. No, so using the Nedelski method in a 4-option MCQ, the possible MPL for each item would be 0.25, 0.33, okay, zero point 0.5, and 1. 0.5 if there are 2 easily eliminated options, 0.33, 1 easily eliminated option, and 0.25 if there are no easily eliminatable option. So for each of the question, they will take the individual MPL and they will take all of the sum of those, and then that will be the subject's MPL. So question number 1 has 0.25. Question number 2 has 0.33. So they will total that and the total is the subject's MPL.